no way you will be comfortable doing certain things where the presence is. It's not possible. The presence will overwhelm you. How can you be overwhelmed with the presence and be enjoying certain vices that are not of God? It's not possible. But let me tell you the truth. Power can be strong and iniquity is still there. Sin is still there. That's why people like us that are pastors, leaders of folks, we have to be very careful, because when we begin to operate in power without the presence, it's not just our lives that is being affected, but those that listen to us, those that are receiving from us, are hurting them. It could be harmful to them, because now we are operating in an empty power that doesn't come from the presence, and they don't even know. So we have to be careful. As a pastor, I always pray and say, Father, anytime I'm doing something that would take me out of your presence, please let me be restless. It's not just for me, it's for the people that listen to me. It's for the souls that are hanging on the words that I preach. Power without the presence is dangerous to those you lead.